Hey Josh, how's it going? I'm starting to get some assignments for this, and in order to see them, I had to download a whole bunch of them at once, and I couldn't respond to each student. One sec, I had to sneeze. Okay, so do you know how to set this up so that everybody can see it and I can respond? Um, so I download. So yeah, I definitely would want everybody to be able to see it and talk to each other if possible. I did not see that right away. Otherwise, all these people are posting online entry options, group assignments. All right, that would be nice. So I don't know what that is. Okay. All right. So I'm sorry to babble on here, but I'd like your opinion. Bye.